The hotel worker caught at the center of a viral video is speaking out for the first time. I'm talking about no other than Matthew Rodney after he was fired in front of guests and told to leave the property by the manager. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And when we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So what we want to talk about today on the program is a video that went viral with this individual who goes by the name Matthew Rodney. So the video went viral and this has caused a whole entire eruption on social media, and many people have now been stating that many people are going through similar things that this individual might have been through, and that is very true based on the comment section that I've seen. People are really coming out now and they're actually stating what they themselves have been through in the comment section. What happened to this individual is not an isolated situation. Many people are faced with similar circumstances and they themselves have to deal with this on a day-to-day basis. But what unfolded on that video, it just goes to show you that we're still living in a real difficult time. And even when people have certain jobs and you think that everything is going for them, trust me, certain working conditions and certain things that they have to endure. It's unbelievable if some people should get into the details of certain things that they have to endure on a day-to-day basis in their jobs, especially in the hotel sector. But what happened to this individual at this hotel, it just goes to show you the time that we're living in and how people, based on their financial status in life, can take advantage of the minority of the minor set of people, especially when they have certain powers and certain linkages between the local and even on the international sector. But all I can say, I wish this individual all the best, and I just want to point out to you as well that he has launched a GoFundMe campaign, which I will provide the link to that below this video. But I just hope this individual just try to find the strength to just pull from this, and I hope that this kind of open new doors for him and new aspiration in his life, because you can see based on the video that was portrayed online, this was not just a one-off situation. This was something that has been building up for some time now, and this was just how he decided that he wanted to let his voice be heard. So many people have came out in support of him, which I really can't really doubt them, because many people as well, they're very fearful of their whole entire work and losing their job, so they would not really speak out like this individual did. So one have to really commend him for what he did and actually how he spoke out, even though it was laced with a whole lot of expletives and so forth. But we have to just come to the conclusion of the point that he was trying to make. He was trying to make the point that hotel workers are not treated fairly by the upper class individuals, especially those who manage these properties, and that was what the point that he wanted to make, and that point was clearly established. And we have seen how people now have been coming out more and more each day and stating that they have actually experienced similar things like this individual did. I'm going to bring you over to his video right now where he opened up for the very first time and share his side of the story to you.
I don't look too ugly, no? Come bad, Matthew.
Mark and Luke and John there.
Even. I have to look for to actually think about it, you know? Alright. Big up everybody who actually support me and, you know, show me love and anything they feel I want it to my heart, you know? But give thanks, you understand? Right now, I tell you the truth. I go through some things right now. I never know that actually book up in them things I like experiencing things full hand, you know. Like right now it just depressing. I just be a stress and just be a depression right now. You understand? Mentally, and it just show if your system corrupt, you know. because you have money and because you're powerful and government them are your friend. That's our friend, that's how we do, that's how we drink. You're my boy, I could link them up and later we could talk, so you have all right, you can do whatever you think, you understand? And I've experienced this before, you know. I've experienced this before at a resort where I usually work before I actually went to this resort, you know. Something similar, you know. So it's actually, something actually build up the anger. They say like, no, me on camera, basically. Maybe just come and say right now, if you can say, boy, let's try to do that video and see. Because somebody tell me, say, oh, Matty, you know, say, come like you advise like people, then come out of people, I got too much things and nobody not talk. It's like, nobody not even to do there. And then think they see me, if you can't say nothing, because if you say nothing, you're going to lose a little work. You're not going to nothing, you're going to stress out, you're going to get work again. So, and everybody brave enough, you understand? You see me? I'm a person like me, you see me now, me different. Everybody will know me from me, I look a picnic group and you see me different. Me stand up for myself, my cause, me in the long run, but I just saw life go. And it's not like say me I used to think negative or me I feel negativity or I feel like try destroy society or go against people or mash up things and want to go on. I work me and look better. You understand? Work me and look better. You go wrongfully run me off my property. And Mr. Issa, me I talk to you too, brother. Because you must have looked on this as a big man. As a big man. As a big man. Because what you do with me is obviously you don't like black people, brother. And I'm the first person you do that to. You do that to whole heap of people. You run people out of place, then too fat. You come there, you run with general manager because one single extinguisher. That actually was a room I actually here before I actually got there. So that I don't know, state with fact for me knows that happened. So you run that was a rumor that I heard that the general manager got him leave, get out property just the same because just one fire extinguisher was just not working. That's what I heard. You understand? Hear the thing I know. As a big man, looking at yourself, look at all this drama for no reason at all. I was there doing my job. I have passion like me a person, every result me can't go on TripAdvisor and show like comments so like thousands of comments for other results to immediately work before actually this one and things same way, understand? Me do guest service, me like talk to people who know me like in person, know say that to me. I just have a vibes, me always a reason, always not want good mood, always not want positive mood. Me not easily get, me not want perfect person, because me just a human being. Yeah, me not perfect, me just like everybody else. Me just like everybody else, but me just a try to do good, and I try to walk on a narrow path, and I try to stay. Look how Jamaica mad right now, look how things sick, brother. And when you run me out of my work now, brother, what me go do right now, brother? You understand? What me go do right now? When we go, we'll find depression, alright, watch now. I have my girlfriend for 6 years. My girlfriend even pregnant right now. 3 months pregnant. First me ever go get a child in my life, you understand? Even when it happened, I couldn't even tell her for a couple of days. I feel fake like I work, I go see me because I stress where I cause, like it's stress and everything where I cause. We stress everything where I cause right now, depression, everything. You understand where I cause? Right now, it's trauma where I cause in my life. Just by me, I do my work, brother. When I get paid for do, brother. Me now harass the guests, I tell lies, me I fraternize with guests. How if you fraternize with guests, brother? Me a bartender, people want to talk to me. Ever have a conversation with people actually go want to talk to you, brother. I have to get paid for the brother. Guest service, entertain, get to treat people good, treat people with respect. You take care of them, then go, then get them drinks good, everything, everybody have a vibes, good brother. But why on God earth? You would have actually come up now and go tell me, low, get off a property. Your reason for saying I was prancing, dancing with Trey. And nothing no go so, brother. Nothing no go so, brother. You're a liar, brother. You're a liar, brother. You understand? I'm sorry for some people, like, me even too sorry. I'm not too sorry neither. Because I don't sorry in the place right now. People them done right now. People want to listen and I make certain things right now on miss, brother. Because look what the cleaner do. I've been out of a job from like the 4th of June. And you tell me, say, the cleaner. They never called me one time. I tried to see code, but obviously there's a file at the resort with all my information. The JP that give me the recommendation, my phone number. So they put my full name out there, put my face out there. So they basically a tarnish my character, everything right now. So I can't get a job at one next resort. I can't do nothing, brother. I don't even have visa right now. So you understand? So right now, I just, yeah, I not even know, brother. I swear to God, brother. I swear to God, brother. Tell me and tell her, brother. Tell me and tell her, brother. I tell you know, for why reason, brother. Just because I do my work, brother, when I get paid for, brother. Yeah, I just run, say, get on my first. You do to a lot of people. You really don't like black people for real. Because I even heard rumors again, like even I run people off my front decks because they're too black. I tell you, they'll change that person from there. I don't want that girl there. She's too black, brother. You understand? Things like that. They're really racist with you, brother. You're a racist guy. You don't like, you look down on people, brother. You look down on people, brother. Yo, I'm not powerful or rich like you people do, you know. And the end of the day, no matter how people want to look upon life, or you want to take it, whatever this is my purpose in life. People try to remember me, brother. You understand? Yeah, you're mighty, you're powerful. Like, people mad nowadays, people hungry, people take money to do everything. So, I don't think about the next side of things. Like, people can't actually do me things if they really want to do me things. Forget me out and things like that. But I just life, brother. If this is my purpose and this is my go dead from go dead fit, brother, because I did no wrong, brother. I do no wrong, brother. I did no wrong, brother. No wrong, brother. And as a big man, you could have a child, brother. You could have pick me, brother, because me even met all some of your never, me even when you never already did a couple weeks ago. Maybe even a good friend, maybe reason when everybody don't want to talk to him because people when I work with, I say, yo, don't talk to him, Issa. I say, Issa, people them don't want a conversation with him. And me and your family, I don't even remember where your name, because me come there, me and my there sing some popcorn song and sing and I tell me, who are you in the place? I just share so far you go and they sing the same way, you know. And because he's white, so when a white boy talk like this, they say, bad. And I tell me, say, yo, Matthew, yo, I just share and skeng them around the place and they sing there. And I say, where's a white boy I come from and sing, you see me? And he think there, and then I tell me, say, it's a family. You see me, the Paria rate me, Paria give me beer money and sit the same way. Which one rate me, because I deal with him, brother, I treat him good, brother. Give him good service, brother. Like, yeah, just come run. Me say, yo, leave, get off for no reason. And he return to you and say, good evening, sir. What's the problem? Get off. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. You looking at me? Like, yeah, like I said, look at you. Who you talking to? Who you looking at? Who you, like, no, brother, you can't do that, brother. And you know me doing no wrong, brother. Look where you cost them life, no, brother. Me must be say right now. Don't have no work. Don't have nothing to do, brother. Look how food expensive, brother. Look how food expensive. You can't even buy food for it. So I'm going to survive now. I expect pick me and no one anything. And my girlfriend already have a child already now. How am I going to live now? What am I do? What am I turn to? What am I going to do? Yeah, the gleaner, the propaganda, government control. Because we just realize, I think, they say the gleaner, and that is not real news. It's just like education system and just like the book. It's not real. It's just a propaganda. You don't tell the truth. You just to show how divided the country is. Who is up on the poor side? Like this is a blast and then and sus and then people they go feel like people, brother. Like people. Like the gleaner and them thing the brother no go feel upper class, brother. Who for something happen between two persons they go viral in our country and tourism bring the biggest income in our country. It's not like me I try to tarnish tourism, because you actually go against tourism and you try to mash up it. Most people live off of tourism. People me know. My girlfriend work at a hotel and see me, so it's like I just the same thing. So if I try to say me I go tear down one hotel, what people go lose their people go lose their livelihood. But some things are happening in a hotel wrong. Wrong and it's depressing, brother. If depressing, you can't have people on 3-month contract. 3-month contract, you right? All sort of bullshit in a contract. People are for 6 years, 7 years, 10 years contract, brother. You not get nothing at all, brother, more than your dead pay, brother. You understand? So if nothing happen in 3 months, you can just fire you not get nothing at all. And that I think we around the country, brother. Yo, how can hotel be the biggest, yo, how can hotel be the biggest thing in our country, brother? We bring revenue to the country that the country live off, brother. And you never have a union to can protect hotel workers, brother. Not even bank can give a loan because of contract, brother. Tell me, not even bank can give a loan. So hotel workers gonna be people them just walk up and downtown and they sit there and just yam cane downtown and drink bag juice and sitting. While them people just drive on the AC, I buy Porsche, I buy Beamer, I buy this, I buy that. And them people just work and go give the whole of them their labor. Brother, come like you know so I go on, brother. Yo, me born a St. Elizabeth. Me no born a St. Elizabeth, me born a Kingston. I grew up a St. Elizabeth. I moved to Montego Bay a couple of years well now. Me see all, yo, people them want to take all alligator pan, no brother. Got ton bomba alligator pan, brother. You got to take it to sell it now. Sell it to other hotel, brother. Slavery, the most slavery thing that, brother. Disrespect, brother. PR, nothing, brother. Just work at your guy, your yard, and you have to go there. If you know how much time, you know how much time PR bartender, hour you make like US, alright, how much you want US dollar? 154, 43, 45, something like that. So yo, you get, imagine, you get 100, alright, so you get $175 an hour. Because that's one hotel pay as a bartender with a contract. $175 an hour. You know how much that you get for your 2 weeks? But they get maybe a 28,000, 31,000 for 2 weeks and he's sitting there. You understand? And if you don't have no car, rest if you have car now, imagine where you go pure to that, brother. Where you go do with that, brother. A depression, that brother. Already I go through that, there's stress and depression, the brother. You understand? When you go there, brother, people disrespect you, they tell you amount anything come out their mouth, they run you around this, so they take you up this, so they style you, they sabotage you, they fight you, they depress you, you understand? You understand? Jesus Christ, brother. If you know people have got you, brother. If you know depression, brother. Hey, me never start smoke weed real way until me start work at hotel. Like when I walk there and go smoke on my mind, me say bombard. Then have all even same poor work them have black people, brother. Can't even want to go on every day, brother. People the unite, brother.
Well, there you have it. That was Matthew Rodney, the hotel worker that was unfairly treated and unfairly dismissed from his job at a resort recently. All I can say, I wish this individual all the best. And as I said before, he have launched a GoFundMe page, which I will leave the link down below. So anyone that want to go over there and support him, this is it up right on my page now. So you could just go over there, click the link in my bio, and then you can just go over there and support this individual and his drive in order to establish himself and to do his thing as a personal individual. But all I can say is that just continue to just show the love, the support, and just continue to be kind to someone, even though during this difficult time, you know, it's hard. But trust me, this individual right now, he really stood out and stood his ground, and basically you have to give him his ratings for what he did, because many people within the sector would want to have done the same. However, because of the fear of losing their job, they are not speaking out about things that are happening to them, and they're basically holding back a whole lot of things that they're dealing with. But much respect goes out to you, the viewers. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.